Ladies and gentlemen, we are live.
I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday, everybody. Let's see how the market today is gonna go. We have a very, 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 very positive momentum today. Continuing rallying up from the from Friday, actually. This is where we closed out Friday, and actually the price ended up pushing higher on the Sunday session push. targeting the same was the previous day high before. Now we are the previous week, and if we can see now that the price giving us a very solid push to the upside by expansion from Asia to London session, going to New York session. Right. Let's see how the market is gonna move for the first 30 minutes of this trading session. Trading session, Rooney, let's go. But got everything here almost set up nicely. So a nice, beautiful push to the upside with positive news. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at this, man. This is what it seems like this market is liking the tariff pause. The tariff pause, it seems like it is working, and the market rallying to the upside in a very nice momentum. Typically Monday it sets the day, the week. Mondays, days that if the entry is clean, I will take it. Typically Monday is very unpredictable as far as where the market is gonna go, because they're trying to set it up. They're trying to take the liquidity, take these guys out. There's gaps that we can tell here. It's been created from the New York PM Friday push right here. And let's see today if we can get a entry so we can trade it live with everybody. So we will see how today is gonna play out. See if we can get a trade. Because like say DJ Khaled, right?
God did. Ain't believe in us. God did. Another one.
And we would probably get another one. And we get
God
another
did.
one. So we're trying to stay positive, positive today. It is positive news. It's everything pushing up. Seems like it. Oh, look at the greens. That's what we've been waiting for. Greens. We're waiting for greeneroonies. We can slap a trade today. Drinking my coffee. Getting ready. Let's go. Let's go. So we have a sweep from Mr. New York AM session. Sweeping the Londons. I need to add the London one. I need to add that London. They
OBO Sound Radio.
let's go. We gotta get some trophies today. We need some trophy Rooney. We need to get trophy. We need to get trophy today. Hopefully we get trophied up. Hopefully we get the trophies today. See the alerts today, if they're gonna get alerted right. We got a lot of alerts. It's been creating a lot of alerts. This these couple sessions. If we see there is a change of character shift push on the New York AM after sweeping the London. Because price would typically the price does too. It sweeps the and it does distribute from a gap too. That is created typically in London. So what the price will do will take the highs, then will target that gap before the distribution. So Monday is typically a very unpredictable day with taking these sweep trades, because it is the beginning of the week. The beginning of the week, the price will be targeting the highs, the lows, so I'll wait for more confirmation to trade the first day, first open, first sweep, and change your character. It is not recommended. I don't recommend that trade to be taking because again the market is very gonna manipulate. There's a lot of manipulation now. It's happening. Even there is the rally push up, there will be a lot of manipulation that's happening typically to target gaps, because there is a gap that was created when the price pushed at Friday, close it out Friday, going out to the open Sunday. If you notice that the algorithm, and this is what I spoke about in my previous video too, because we were targeting the highs, those highs, and actually the price kept going up. So here I close a trade because I don't like to keep holding trades too. I close out the trades. You know, a bird in one hand beats two in the bush. So I closed out that trade. The price literally kept pushing up based on a conversation that we've had previous videos. It pushed up actually, and it created this very solid gap. Price usually will go fill in these gaps here too, because this gap is a very, very healthy gap that the price will love to target on that trade on that day. So the price will usually again target these gaps, and hopefully we get a we're gonna start a hopefully we can get a round one. We can get a round one.
Round one, fight.
We can get a round one, so we can get some trading momentum and action on this live session. Okay, we push to the equilibrium now on the 5-minute chart. We pushed to the equilibrium on that. See where this is gonna take us. Is this a valid, was it a valid trade to enter, to take this trade? The problem is the first charge, which is the first market reversal, they can be not respected too. So we don't want to be disrespected early at this trading day. Here the price, it is respecting it. Those institutional guys pushed the price down, even with a positive news, positive push to the upside, and the previous week high hasn't been swept yet, so has not been taken out yet. So it seems like the price, it is pushing down. So we might get a short today. We might enter a short entry today, see if we can get a prime one after passing the equilibrium, and see if we can get a entry to the sweep to the other side, downside, sell side, targeting this gap in the market, since these guys pushing the price down. Okay, so since those guys, they're pushing it down, we can probably get some trophies. If we can get some trophies or wins, that will be nice. That will be nice. Yeah, if we can get a
Hasta la vista, baby.
Get that done, right? If we can get that done, we finish him, right? And then we get that finish
Finish
line.
him. Round 1. Finish him.
And then when you do finish him, right? I don't know how many of y'all play Mortal Kombat, but I'm gonna tell you, that's a good feeling, right? This is when you finish the sweep, right? That would be a very good feeling. I don't want to be talking too much. I want to be more trade than talk. Weeple, let's go. Oh shit! I didn't do the chatteroni. Let's see here. We are getting any love. We're getting any love here. All right, so price went, got a equilibrium taken, and it did not continue the sweep for now. 9:45, that's the first 15-minute candle. Let's see. So price is having some rejection there. Rejection Rooney.
remember asking you a goddamn thing.
Man, shut your...
Let's go. Yep. Go. All right. Oh, 2 rejections. Boom. After a down push. Price pushing to the downside. So yeah, these that market data, I like it, but I don't you don't focus on that to take trades, right? Because if you would have just looked at it like, oh yeah, everything great. Oh, look, Goldman Sachs pushing 4.5 points. Everything is pushing back up. Everyone look at tech companies, and then you take buys, and you'll be taken out because these guys are gonna take you out. They don't care. You're gonna be taken out. You're gonna be swept.
Got him!
Then when you're done, your account will be why stop. I'm looking at the data. It's showing that we gotta buy, but why the prices keep going down?
Shut the hell up! Damn!
Why the price is, so we will see now the second 15-minute candle, what is gonna give us an indication of after when the algorithm stop or get exhausted of taking these guys out, then the push will most likely will continuation of a price expansion. So that's here the previous day high when the day closed, and then the price swept that its day high, right? Targeted the upside. Previous week high is a very healthy target too, right? It's not just predicting, okay, well, the price will go there, but when is going to go there? When is the time that you're going to take the trade for you to be comfortable that you're going to ride the wave? Because the price might go take a gap in downside, sweep these guys, capture more liquidity, and then go move up. That's what zigzag you, right? And then you'll be taken out.
Damn!
And then when you get taken out, oh, yeah, this is not good. Then you'll be like, oh, man, I'm giving up in this. I'm gonna give up. So yeah, first 30 minutes, manipulation, right? Phase. Price did not push underneath the equilibrium for now. It can get a good candle just to take these guys out, and then do a continuation to the upside if this is where the market is headed, based on the news. What's going on today in the news, like as far as the news goes? We need to know what's gonna go in the news.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
Put that cookie down! Now!
Now. we're gonna see the trade if it's gonna play out today. So we can get an entry. Enter. Price is pushing again up back close to the closing 5 minutes remaining for this last 5-minute candle in the first 30-minute trading. We're looking at S&P 500. We can take a look at the US 30 to see what's going on there too. What did the Uncle Dow has been doing? Uncle Dow. Oh, what is it? What was that? What whoa, look at this. Gosh, that's crazy. This look at the manipulation. Look, targeting the liquidity, taking these guys out. It's crazy what the market's been doing. Like, that was a very, like, those guys out. Took those guys out. Wow. Because the price pushed up and then it pushed into upside, and then this candle was brutal. 11 p.m. was a brutal candle. The US 30 is no joke for trading it, man. I'm telling you, this is insane. So that was a very aggressive. Sweep candle that took all the orders, took liquidity like nasty. Wow. Oof. I didn't even see that. I wasn't even looking at it. It's like, when did that happen? Look at this liquidity grab. Ooh. God. Damn. Wow. Please. The market is. That's why riding these Aegis session is not. It's not a good. If you're an Aegis session trader and you're profitable, you're probably, one of the goats. Because Aegis, it ain't no lot of moves in it. Like, doesn't move, and can't predict it. Price action doesn't play out. And sometimes, like, there is times you'll be looking at it like, oh, it played out this time, but it tricks you. It's not consistently playing out. You're gonna get taken out. You're gonna get taken out.
That fuck 'em up. I'ma do my stuff.
You're gonna be taken out in Asia. If you're profitable in Asia and you can trade every day and all the time, good for you, man. But it's tough. I know it's tough. No, it's tough. No joke. Tesla shows they start losing the momentum, huh? A little bit. So start pushing the momentum. Yeah, they start losing the momentum. These gaps. The market will love these gaps too. They feel very comfortable going to these gaps. Yeah, you'd be taken out. You'd be sitting, riding there and on that gap, and you will be taken out. It's not a good feeling. It's not. When the price hits your stop loss, you don't feel good. It's like the institutional guys will tell you,
Put that cookie down now.
and you will be. This is how you're gonna sound when you get taken out. You'll be in a trade thinking that you're gonna win, right? And you're chasing trophies. And then the Terminator will tell you,
Cookie down.
and then you will sound. Crazy. That's crazy, man. It's wild out there. Y'all be safe on these charts. Be safe, man. Please be safe. The amount of manipulations happening is insane. That's why these guys, they're charging $1 million for their courses. The fake guys or the 30% profit guys, they're working hard in their content so they can charge you more. They're just trying to put people together, man. It's sad. They will try to just take everything from you. Everything. No mercy.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
No mercy. And then when your money's gone, not a good feeling. And you know it's not a good feeling when you feel robbed. Highway robbery. $10 o'clock. Price on the equilibrium now, just resting there a little bit, trying to make a decision. Are we gonna go to the downside, fill these gaps, take more liquidity? Are we done fooling these guys out? Or are we just gonna make sure that show them that, oh, we're coming back up? I don't know. I might be taken out today. I don't know. Who knows? You just gotta take risks. You know, you have to take risks. You don't have to trade every day when you see the opportunity. I don't want to push a trade. I don't want to just take a trade. I could have just took the Chosh trade, but I don't want to just to take it, force it on a Monday. I don't want to force that trade on Monday, man.
Man, shut your...
No indication for the push to the downside yet. No indication to the push to the downside yet. The gap is getting closed out.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Oof. He got the gap, guys. Wow. They got the gap. The gap has been filled. Woo! Oh.
Got him!
Hmm. Oh. Wow.
I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody. The double champ does what the he wants.
This crazy price move. Wow. Let's go. The price will favor. Where is it gonna favor, man? This price. They push to the upside. Are we faking more? Are we taking more? Are we sweeping more from the upside? Are we taking more from the upside, or just gonna go ahead and target the previous week high, pretty much, because they're done with the attacking the London session guys. Are they gonna go take
Another one.
We will see. 10:15, 10:30. The 10:31 is yeah, pretty much where the market will be like, okay, 10:30 to 11 o'clock, like that time will be like, okay, Monday, if there is a trade, it might, if there is a New York PM trade later, I would try to take it and post it too. Would love to get a entry. Again, we don't want to force a trade. It will come. It will. I will be streaming as much as I can live to catch a live trade. If we take a L or we take a W, it don't matter. Just so we can show that we trade live.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
Yeah, the market is building on the last week rally. That's exactly what it is, you know, building on the momentum that happened last week, which is that's what I said and I explained in my video, didn't I? The one that was it live? I was live. And it's there. Go watch it, right? And Friday, and I said like, hey, it's based on the news. This is what's gonna happen. They're gonna push that price up to close it up, which is it did, and it moved up, and we took an up trade, and I bar replayed that trade. Go watch that video too, with the bar replay to show you that we share sauce here, right? And guess what? The market, it is pushing up based on the news because we've been down, we've been taken down, we've been getting swept. $1.6 trillion got taken out in 2 days, right? So the market, as soon as the positive news that that was announced, done. You know, positive news was announced, then the market came back. Boolean setup here, all these screens. Dow jumps 400. Yeah, of course. Yeah, tech all back up. Everybody's up. There we go. That's a light summary. You know, especially when you connect your chat GPT, right? This is a sauce. This is the sauce here. Yeah. What are we doing here? What is the market doing right here? Like, oh, we're not done yet. We're not done yet.
That fuck 'em up.
They're not done yet. They're going to still playing games. Let's see. 10:15, almost 2 minutes till that candle closed. Am I? Okay. No trade yet. Almost 10:15. No trade. Gold near record high. That's what we're looking at right here. So we're looking at gold near record high, guys. The gold is moving. Gold is moving, man. The gold will get you the check. The gold will get you the check. Cash is king. Gold is king now. Bitcoin is king. Is Bitcoin still a king? Shout out to everybody bought that coin, was on the Bitcoin ride and journey, and bought like 5,000 Bitcoins when they were $1. Then when the market kept going up and up and up and up, and 5,000 and 6,000 and 10,000, and they forgot their password and to sell it, right? And then kept going up till it hits 100 racks. And then they remember the password. Oh my God. That's the check. That is the check. Because if you bought the Bitcoin when it was the $1 and what have you, and the first 5,000 swing or whatever, you would have sold it all, right? You would have made money, right? You would have made probably $5 million or whatever. But that's no money if you would have forgotten the password or whatever, and then you couldn't even sell it till it hit the hundo or 75,000. Let's say it's right now, whatever price it is right now, right? What is there is a Bitcoin right now. We'll look at it later. I don't trade crypto on that charts, because those cryptos, the brokers, they will give you that leverage is going to be insane, and you're not going to have a good entry, always a bad entry, and it's crazy setup. So it's, for me, that doesn't work. Shout out to the Bitcoin holders. You know, Bitcoin is crypto's future, right? Crypto is going to be the future. Seems like it. That is the future, though. The price in equilibrium hovering there. Like what happened approximately Friday. So Friday was doing the same thing, but it was a sweep. It took it manipulated. So New York AM manipulated that's last week. It did manipulate it. See right here. Here we're still waiting on that indication for the price. Been taken out, taking the lows out, and continuation for the gap. The gap's F. That's what the price wanted to do. Always trade the chart. Always trade the chart. Something for the market. Oh, sorry. Jeez, what's going on with me, man?
Man, shut your...
Let's go. Let's go. All right, we'll see now. 10 minutes or 8 minutes. For the mid-open session volume move. Yeah, this shot was this change of character was kind of taken out, kind of not yet, because this is where would have stop loss would have been. So it's still respecting it, but again, it's Monday. We don't take the first sweep of the session because price, there's probability will not even go continue the sweep with the continuation. The price based on back testing, based on, and always guys, back test your strategy, back test your stuff, trade, practice makes perfect. Price will fill a gap in the London session and they would distribute to the upside or the downside, and that's the reason why we didn't take that sweep on that certain day. Not full indication on the market to continue to the downside yet. It might continue, it might take it, it will move, but it's not about if it's going there or not. It's when are we gonna take the trade? Are we gonna ride the one that will not stop us out, and then we're gonna start sounding like,
ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
you don't want to be, yes, you don't want to be there. You don't. So we're trying to avoid that, right? We're trying to stay in the winning side. The winning side. Here, what's happening? Price is pushing back. Yeah, this is a very bullish. It's a bullish setup. So, you know, watching these, watching the watch list like this too, having the data, it helps. And at the same, but it doesn't at the same time, like I explained in my previous videos, that it's not always in your favor, because you will take a trade against the these data levels. So they will be all looking green, and then you're taking a short, and then you will try to, you're not holding on the trade, you're closing the trade early because you're having doubts and second thoughts, and that the trade will take you out. So you know, sometimes I'm out, you know, actually to close it, like when I get in the trade, I don't even need to keep watching those, just looking at it, so you can make sure to know where you at. But that doesn't mean that you got to keep it open, so because you don't want the emotion to be play a part for your decision making of exiting out the trade early, or holding the trade till the end, right? When you are when you believe in your technique and your style of trading, just you will hold it till the TP. We've done that, and this is what I did in my previous video too. I did not move it, just, you know, when the price pushes down, just to do the break-even deal. Again, you get the break-even because of the market is so volatile now. It's gonna be all volatile. You know, we're not safe yet. We're not safe. Nobody's safe. Nobody's safe. Nobody's safe, especially now. The market will come take everything from you.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
They're gonna take everything from you. A light tweet will get you taken out. $10:30, almost 2 minutes. We hope that the market will give us a trade, man, today, so we can trade in front of y'all.
Man, shut your...
I hope that would get us a trade. Yep, live. Come on, S&P, let's go. What's the US 30s doing, man? It's been what? Taking what? What they're doing here? Where's the US 30 guys? What are we doing here? Hmm. What's going on over here? Let's go. Let's see if we can get some momentum. Let's see if we can get some momentum. Let's go.
OVO Sound Radio.
Let's go. We need some acquisitive momentum. It seems like we're having some move to the upside. United Health, what's going on there, man? This United Health deal is. The sacks on those guys, they're pushing up. So these guys was taking. Those guys was out. Bro, the market's gonna forget about this? Are we forgetting about this? Can't forget about that. We are not. After a week high sweep, after a previous week high. Oh, what's going on with you, man? Oh, Jesus.
Man, shut your...
Going on. All right. So 10:36, and we're still no trade yet. Seems like the market, it is pushing to the upside. I'm gonna try to keep this going so we can capture a trade. We don't want to force one. I'm getting stopped out. Let's go. Day 4 Pro 14th. The midweek. I have 3 Mondays this month. That's the first one. It's 4 Mondays, but that's the 3 left. Can't wait for
Round 1, fight.
Gotta be probably soon. Soon to see if we can get any action on the market today. Go back to US 30. Uncle Dow is Uncle Dow did these guys wrong, man. They Uncle, this is not, you don't do that. Please don't do that, man.
Finish him.
That's, why would you do this? The amount of manipulation is insane. This wick, oof, brutal.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Man. I can't even get over that one, man. This is like, oof, because it's just brutal. It's just not right. Uncle Dow. You know, you can be profitable trading US 30 too, but US 30 can take you out cold blood. They all do. They all do. They all do. Very tough market. Very tough market. The moves, they're insane. Last year, April, like, you know, it's crazy. If you trade or buy replay previous and just check the market, how it was conditioned and it was moving differently. Wasn't it 400 points? Now it's 300. Yeah, they updated it. It was 400. Now it's 300. Why did they fat fingered it? Wow. Wasn't it? It was 400. Yeah, I have a screenshot of it too. So it was 400. Now it's 300. So why would you update the article? Or that's live. But no, that was published. They just took it from 400 to just 400 to 300. Is like what they're trying to do. Well, did it pushed? Well, if it pushed 400 and even if it traced back, you don't update it. You just it will come back. The day is still on. Like, why would you take 100 points from a news? Huh? Wow, interesting. We'll watch this video back because I bet you it was 400. It was 400. I don't know. They updated it, but why would you update an article live like this? Like, because it jumped 400. Yes, it came back, but that doesn't mean that you take the post out. I'm not crazy. It's right here. They had it 400. But I don't know, they probably updated live. I don't get it. It is what it is. They can put whatever they want to put there, right?
Got him!
Hey, got him.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Crazy. We got him. We got him. Let's go, market. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get another one, guys.
God did another one. They ain't believing us. God did
Let's go. The market did. The market did. It's the market. Mm-hmm. 10:45. And 45, 10:46, almost 11 o'clock. Let's go. It was, when did it last? Friday was like till 12 o'clock till we got a trade, man. Heavy pushing. Let's go. Let's go. All right, it seems like that we're gonna get some moves. That's what seems like it. We're gonna get some moves. If we get a move to the upside, we probably will take the trade. They give us an indication that's going to go up because the equilibrium was swept, that's the London noise, which is just hovering, the price is hovering in the equilibrium, like it pushed down here, try to take them out, didn't, then now it's getting a reversal to the upside, targeting the highs. Going with the momentum of the market is pushing up. The institutional guys got probably exhausted, try to push the price down to seek more liquidity, and now the market's gonna play out its move, which is where it will like to go and target in reach and sweep this, take the high of New York, PM, and Asia. So if my setup is going to give me an indication of a uptrend, now we will ride this wave, targeting previous week high. That will be a previous week sweep that we will target, and we will hold till that sweep is taken, because there's the gaps. Then if we go after this sweep, then they will be targeting these gaps right here, this gap, this huge gap that it was created when the market did the big swing down on Wednesday the 2nd right here. And that's the beauty of this setup, that it's visually, you can easily focus on that rather than worrying about the wrong stuff like I explained before. Nothing wrong with, you know, drawing your chart, doing anything. If that's working for you, it's working for you. This is the reversal sign that we have for now.
Round 1, fight.
So it seems like we are getting somewhere here. We're waiting for more confirmation. Waiting for more confirmation. To take a long, again, we're targeting previous week high on this trading setup. Let's go. Let's go. 5 minutes still the close full out for this 15 30 minute. The 30 minute is going to close. The 30-minute candle will close at 11, and the hour candle will close, and there is another 5 minute left, so it's going to be another 5-minute candle. So we'll see if this was just a manipulation phase, or this is the beginning of day trade. Or it is a liquidity grab by Uncle Dow. That's what I'm talking about here. That's the liquidity. Seeking more liquidity to the upside, kind of Dow it. This right here is where the price, if it gets violated here, that means that this Shosh, kind of not the valid Shosh. Because the price on the higher candle, on the higher time frame, it was disrespected. So if the price was disrespected, most likely that is a manipulation fake out.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
Let's go. Higher time frame is faking you out.
Put that cookie down now!
Higher time frame is telling you, whoa, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Oh, that Shawshwick is getting a little, have some respect, huh? Put some respect on my name.
Damn!
Put some respect on my name. The market needs everything, huh? These guys, they want everything.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
They took the bots out. So disrespectful. So disrespectful. You know, it's crazy. The New York AM did not create any gaps yet. That means that the price is not pushing, it's not moving, it's just consolidating at the same time is not giving anybody any indication where it's gonna go. The market is brutal. They don't care. The market guys. Hmm. 11. It's 11 o'clock. Let's go.
Man, shut your...
Let's go. Oh, disrespectful. It faked out the move to the upside, huh? Look at this. This means nothing. That's why I don't like you watch this. This is data, right? You got to know the data. You got to know what's going on and where we at from the market. But that means nothing because those guys will take you out. They're seeking liquidity. They need more cash. They need more liquidity. They've been in the downside. They wanted to eat more. It's a very tough market condition. Trading now, it's not what trading, like, you know, algorithm is being played out more. So, you know, patterns and stuff like that. There is not a way that you will be, oh, okay, well, my setup is not working anymore, because the algorithmic trade is taking you out. If you're not trading liquidity sweeps now and filling gaps and understanding that the market will not play out the way that it is supposed to or should play out, this is where you need to improve in your trading technique. If your trading technique is working and you're profitable, just don't change anything. Just if you don't watch these videos, because you're gonna get distracted, right? But when your trading strategy is struggling, especially nowadays, because the market is taking the it's moving in a very volatile way too. You can do two things. You can not trade, and protect your wallet, protect your stuff, or if you want to learn something new or else that these trades gonna play out with, you just try to grow and practice and learn more. Nobody knows everything. You just gotta keep learning, man.
I don't remember asking you a goddamn thing.
Liquidity grab to the upside more. The Shosh is playing out to the downside sweep, targeting the gaps because that's what the market is liking. Not always gonna take the highs for the sessions or the days or the weeks. Sometimes it will just keep targeting the gaps, and then after taking the gaps out, then it will go. Because it's still, 11 o'clock. You still have 2 hours for New York AM session. Then New York PM kicks at 1. So New York PM will be comeback or continuation of the trend. If there is a manipulation is going to happen, that manipulation will happen in New York AM now. If New York AM did not manipulate London, which is sweeping London from the downside because it took the upside, then New York PM will finish the job. So you probably wait for New York PM to finish the job. But based on a price push to the upside and all these positive points, that might New York AM finish the manipulation, and then the PM will just probably take the AM out to seek liquidity and then go target a bullish push to previous week high. So this might play out this way. Again, we wait for. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. You can't jump and rush on trades as soon as you see it. As soon as you see a Shosh, you go ahead and take it. You'll be taken out. Like if you would have took that Shosh, you're done. But New York AM did not sweep London to the downside, so that will be an invalid trade. The sweep from the other side, it's still on. But the trade is not done yet. The playout is not done yet. It's still between the equilibrium now, so you don't do anything. You start taking some action if the price give you another indication to push to the downside.
Man, shut your...
gave us a an indication there would have took that trade, man. I want to take a trade live, and then again, I don't want to force it and blow it. You gotta be patient. This is the game. Are we gonna take a trade today? Yes. It's not yet. It's not play. It didn't play out. Monday, typical Monday. You know, you can stay away from Monday and Friday to trade if you're not, when you don't know how these, because at the beginning of the week and end of the week is the market's trying to make a decision. Where were you going to be to set the weeks and the days, highs and lows? Tomorrow will be prom ideal. We will get in the trade tomorrow earlier than that. Interesting week. Interesting a week to start the week after a positive news.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
So this is what I'm gonna do then, because I don't want to keep this going like this for another 30 minutes till we get in the trade. If it give me an indication, I will record it live as soon as I enter the trade, so it will, y'all will see how it is going to play out, since we know that this is going to happen. I appreciate everybody's patience, and hopefully, typically we get in the trades like within the after the opening by 15 minutes or 30 minutes. We finish trade. I won't hold it for another 30 minutes, but it seems like this time it's still the market is not it's not making a decision yet, right? So it's kind of taking sweeps and seeking liquidity here and there, and it's, even with all this positive green news data, it's still 71 points from the market open. It did not move yet, so the move probably will happen within another 30 minutes or an hour. They're waiting on a major news, probably, if there is something going on news wise. I'm watching the news too. It seems like nothing going on today, so it is a kind of cold start today, so we will continue, and then again, if the trade will play out, I will take the trade, record it, post the video. Stay tuned, guys, and I appreciate being patient, but again, that's part of it. We got to take the trade live so we can show everybody that we trade live and we don't cap, right? So we will go ahead and and get this done. We're packed to the equilibrium and we'll be back. And for now, we will continue later and we'll see you next time.